Welcome. In front of me is a POCO X8 Pro, and today I will show you how you can hard reset this device through recovery mode. So before I get started, I want to quickly mention a couple of different things. So number one, you can do this kind of reset in order to get rid of any kind of screen lock that you have set that you just don't know or don't remember. Typically, this will also result with your device becoming FRP locked due to Google account usually being signed in on such a device. And that will result in you needing to verify either the screen lock or the Google account once the reset is finished and you're going through the setup process. And another thing is, obviously, all the data stored on your device will be completely removed. Now, if you don't know your screen lock, you don't really have much of an option of backing up. You can, though, check how much data has been backed up by going to something like Google Drive. So I did pause the video for a moment. So to catch up my thought, you can go to your Google Drive and sign in to the same account that is used on this device, and from there you can check what kind of data has been backed up. Typically photos and videos, you most likely agreed to backing it up if you use Google Photos, as this crap pesters you about it till you by mistake agree to it. So probably that is backed up, but you can check it there. If it's not, there's not much you can do honestly about it, as if you can't unlock your device, you can't really back it up. So with that in mind, with all this info out of the way, I'm going to lock the device, and I don't have any kind of screen lock, as you can see, but if you do or don't, the process is exactly the same. So first thing you want to do is press the power button and the volume up at the same time, and then just swipe up to turn off your device. Give it solid like 5 seconds afterwards for the device to fully shut off, and then hold power button and volume up again, though you're going to be holding it. And you want to hold both of these till you see the POCO logo, at which point let go of just the power button, but keep holding volume up. This will take us to the recovery mode, at which point you can let go of the volume up as well. Next, using volume buttons, specifically volume down so you can navigate down, while up will navigate up, you can select the wipe data and confirm it with the power button. Then select wipe all data the same way, and then confirm. This only gets to like 10% right here, so it should be relatively quick, and the reset will be then completed, as you can see. So we can now press power button to go back to main menu, reboot, and reboot to system. Now, it's going to continue resetting your device in the background, which will take approximately 2 minutes to finish up. So just let it run through. Once the actual reset is finished, we will be presented with the Android setup screen. So I'll be back once that is visible for me. And as you can see, the process is now finished, and you can set up your phone however you like. So if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.